The second part of geometry, section 1.1, lines and segments, is to identify lines of reflection, and then we're going to find the image and reflect it over a line of symmetry or line of reflection. In activity 3, we have 4 different shapes here. In number 1, we have a vertical line of symmetry or line of reflection. In number 2, it's also a vertical line. In number 3, we have a horizontal line, and then in number 4, we have a diagonal. You guys can pause your video of this recording and reflect the image to the other side of the invisible line of symmetry or line of reflection. So you'll see in number 1, when you reflect the butterfly over to the other side, you also have a line of reflection, and it creates a butterfly. In number 2, we have a tree. In number 3, we created the letter B, and then in number 4, it was not a rectangle, it was not a square, it turned out to be a diamond or a kite. The best way to reflect number 4, so that you can see that it is a diamond or a kite, is to rotate your paper so that you create a vertical line of symmetry. Or you can rotate it a different way to create a horizontal line of symmetry. And when you reflect the object to the other side, it creates a diamond or a kite. We're going to go over some terminology. So we have a line of symmetry or a line of reflection. And this is the imaginary line. So in this world, in nature, it's an imaginary line. It does not exist. Where you could fold the image and have both halves match exactly. When you reflect an object, it is when you flip a shape over the line of reflection or the line of symmetry. And then finally, we use the word symmetric as a way to describe an image that is the same on both sides of the line of symmetry. And this concludes section 1.1.